Fireworks! July 3rd. Almost 4th of July, but whatever.
And then having their families gathering there.
Whoa, we gotta move right here. Here, I'll hold it up for you.
No.
Thanks for the idea. They are, but I think that whenever these people just said we can see their purpose right here. That's why I told you. It's like, it's a perfect spot right here.
I can't stop moving. I won't be able to see. Like, I'm getting scared.
Where's more fireworks?
Somewhere.
That's why I told you. Be careful.
So guys,
Focus.
I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna end this video right now.
You're not even posting that on YouTube.
You can't really see.
Hi, Thomas.
Hi. I wish I could go live on Lively right now. Oh, I heard something. Oh!
I don't have no more storage.
I know how to post it. Oh, that is. Sorry.
Dude, you're missing that. This is practice fire.
No, it's not.
The real fireworks stop. No, the real fireworks. These are just itty bitty ones.
You're itty bitty.
You itty bitty.
Mama.
Like that's so true. Like.
Best I could get you.
We should go to the park.
Austin, why are you setting more timers? Like we don't need
I'm a
timers.
timer boy.
Oh! Where are they at? There's a bug.
I don't know.
You guys can touch it.
The only thing bugs is dropped on my head. It scared me to death.
You're being recorded. You're being recorded.
Hi, Thomas. Hello.
I'm gonna upload this on YouTube.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm subscribed to Julie Cloud on YouTube.
Well, one's Cloud9.
I smell glass. I mean gas.
Oh my God! Where the hell are they?
Over there.
Oh.
Found them. Found them. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, I'm enjoying this.
Lady dancing.
I'm literally just gonna hold my phone right here because it's so creepy.
I have it recorded.
Mine's recording too.
You gotta send that to me, Kelsey.
I will on Hangouts.
Mommy. Guys, look over here.
Yeah, there's some good ones over here.
There it goes. Oh, that's one's not gonna go.
The big ones are over there.
Mommy, this is one's not gonna go.
That's a car. Almost got ran over. What the hell?
Okay.
What the frick?
Sorry, it scared me. For real? Don't you think that's a house? Because we drove the dog?
Oh same color. I just got that on camera. I just got a huge one.
Mommy, can I put my mom?
Kelsey, I'm gonna tell you something. So when fog's covering the moon, it says it's gonna rain tomorrow. It's raining tomorrow.
Is that a lantern? Yeah, I thought so.
It's like a floating lantern.
I've been recording for 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
5 minutes, 27 seconds.
Are we gonna come out here for 4th of July tomorrow? No. Only like at 5. They only do them the night before.
Look how low is that?
They're only there, but we can't see them.
Sorry, I'm just wagging the camera around.
Me too. I'm just literally dragging.
This is what I'm doing.
Mom, look at this feet.
Get out of it. It's the edge.
Kelsey, look.
I'm gonna get close to your face.
Do it again.
Personal.
Kelsey.
You do it too, Thomas. Thomas, go. Walk straight through the camera. Austin, you do it. You do it.
Oh. It's awesome. Hello. Oh. We just missed a good one.
Austin, do it. Do it again.
Double camera.
Double camera. Double camera. Double camera.
Double.
Do your best face, okay?
Damn. Sorry, I was doing a dab there.
Look at that lantern, it's falling.
Let's catch it. Wait, is
Mommy.
that what I think it is? That's a laser.
Back of your head.
Mommy. Mommy.
I hear something. I hear something that I don't see it. Oh, over there, over there.
Over where?
Over there. Look.
It's just randomly falling.
I can hear him, but we can't see him.
I suck at my camera skills.
Me too.
Look at these camera skills. Oh, I got a good one.
Get it on camera.
We are. This is only 7-minute video for me.
I only can do like 8 minutes.
Mine's 5 minutes and 36 seconds.
It's just randomly falling.
There is no lantern.
Mine's 8 minutes. Mine's at 8 minutes.
Mine's at 5. But mine.
Whoa!
Right there.
Right where? Right where?
Right there, over
Two
there.
cameras going 2 many places.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, that was a heart.
Kelsey, it's still landing. See that red thing?
No.
That's a freaking drone.
I'm technically blind.
It looks like it. Can't you see that? Thomas.
Yeah? No?
That's gonna fall like on that house after that house.
I don't see anything.
That thing falling from the sky.
Oh yeah, yeah I do.
That's somebody parachuting.
No, that has to be a drone.
That's somebody like 10 bucks. Oh, that's so close. It's gonna hit that bush.
It's gonna hit me. Oh!
Dude,
There we are.
I'm barely even recording. Ah, that's better.
It's right at that house. It's right at the house's backyard.
Oh, I suck.
Some good video.
I missed all that.
Max is recording.
Oh!
Dang it!
What was that from?
It just fell on that. What? It just fell in that thing right there.
I hear something over there.
Oh, it actually is nowhere. We're gonna move.
Mine's at 9 minutes.
I can't do any more video.
I don't have no more room. Let's sit on the car.
Which car?
This
Okay, if you say so.
Mommy? Mommy, on the roof. Can we sit on the in the truck?
can you record over there for me?
Yo, cha. Guys, I think it's gonna be big, but I can't. Whoa. Okay, I got this.
Guys, don't worry.
I'm recording for him.
Yeah, my cousin's recording because I have to.
I'm a good vlogger.
Oh no. That's what you're saying. He's a good vlogger.
If you want to follow me on Snapchat and Facebook,
You don't even have.
yes, I do.
Give me it. Give me it. Guys, don't listen to him. He doesn't even have Snapchat or Facebook.
Just shut up.
Why don't? Oh! What the frick?
That was mask off.
That wasn't mask off.
It was the song.
Don't know.
It comes on every day.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Look at okay, 619.
He doesn't even know.
Let me see 619. He made 619.
Thank you for the song. I'm a savage. 11 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you enjoyed. And bye.